Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2001 Kawasaki Vulcan 800. This V-twin 800cc cruiser just arrived with only 12,400 miles. It's got a little cool skinny front tire and a big back tire. Wait till you hear that exhaust. Nice step seat. Really fantastic condition for an 01. 12,480 miles. Come on by and make your old school cruiser dreams come true for just $19.99. No financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.